Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. Mazda is apparently developing a new CX-90 model. The forthcoming 2023 Mazda CX-90 will reportedly replace the Mazda CX-9 crossover. According to the Japanese automaker, the following year would see significant modifications. Indeed, the automotive brand will launch 5 new models, all of them with the CX designation. If you're unfamiliar, Mazda did the same thing last year when it replaced the CX-3 model with the CX-30. According to the information we have, the upcoming CX-90 will be built on the new platform, giving this SUV a little edge over the current Mazda CX-9. Clearly, Mazda's goal is to provide additional cabin space, which results in a higher level of comfort. There are currently no official photographs of the new 2023 Mazda CX-90. According to published information and renderings, the new SUV will ride on a platform that is significantly larger than that of its predecessor, the CX-9 model. Without a doubt, this will convert into a more spacious cabin. Additionally, we anticipate the CX-90 to have the same KODO design language as the CX-70 model. According to what we can see from the renderings, the upcoming model will arrive with a striking front fascia. It also boasts a more angular design, a revised grille, and new LED headlights. Moreover, we saw new wheels and roof rails, which should come standard. Inside the cabin, the new 2023 Mazda CX-90 is expected to be very modern and comfy. As with the CX-9, the new CX-90 will use the same seating configuration. However, the company will use a larger chassis this time around, which will result in a more spacious cabin. 3 rows of seats shall be provided, with sufficient legroom and headroom for all 7 occupants. As is the case with many SUVs, the CX-90's third row is likely to be a good fit for little children. On the technological front, we anticipate the larger infotainment system, as well as the latest high-tech amenities, including new safety aids. New 2023 Mazda CX-90 will most likely deploy a turbocharged 6-cylinder gasoline engine. Another possibility is a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Reportedly, an electric motor will be mated to a 4-cylinder engine, creating a hybrid system. Unfortunately, we don't know how much power will the CX-90 model produce. Anyway, we expect numerous drivetrain options, more than solid performances, and great fuel efficiency. The Japanese automaker will reveal more details by the end of the year. The upcoming 2023 Mazda CX-90 will make its appearance sometime next year among 4 other models already announced. Those models are CX-50, CX-60, CX-70, and CX-80. However, precise delivery dates remain scarce, but the front-wheel drive CX-50 is expected to arrive first. Officially, the CX-90 will hit the markets prior to the CX-70. In any case, the company will update the CX series with new platforms, interiors, and powertrain options. Additionally, the new 3-row SUV will rival established models such as Genesis GB80, Hyundai Palisade, and Audi Q7. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.